Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to survive airstrikes in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, seek shelter in buildings to avoid direct hit. Continuous movement makes it harder for enemies to target you accurately. Hide behind solid objects like walls or vehicles. Crouch or go prone to reduce your profile and make it harder to spot you. Pay attention to in-game warnings indicating an impending airstrike. Keep an eye on the sky for incoming airstrikes and adjust your position accordingly. Stay away from open areas. Open fields are easy target. Stick to areas with cover. Deploy smoke to obscure your position from enemy aircraft. Coordinate with your squad to maximize survival chances. Use perks like Cold-Blooded to reduce your visibility to thermal scopes. Predict where enemies might call in airstrikes and avoid those areas. Focus on completing objectives quickly to minimize exposure time. Buildings provide quick access to cover during airstrikes. Use the minimap to spot enemy position and potential airstrike zones. Stay away from vehicles. Vehicles attract attention and make you an easy target for airstrikes. Avoid rooftops. Rooftops offer little protection and make you an easy target. Use perks like EOD. Perks like EOD reduce damage from explosives, including airstrikes. Don't cluster with teammates to minimize casualties from a single airstrikes. Avoid areas marked as potential airstrike targets on the map. Take cover in basements. Basements offer solid protection from airstrikes. Keep an eye on the timer. Airstrikes have a limited duration, so wait for them to pass before moving. Stay alert. Remain vigilant for enemy players taking advantage of the chaos caused by airstrikes. Avoid windows. Windows provide little protection and can make you an easy target. And use the heartbeat sensor. Equip the heartbeat sensor to detect nearby enemies before they call in airstrikes. And that's how to survive airstrikes in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.